Here is the 2026 Forest River Cherokee Timberwolf 39HBA. This is a massive destination trailer, coming in at over 44 feet long and weighing about 10,700 pounds dry. And you've got a 21-foot power awning up top with LED strip lighting for your patio area. Notice the tinted safety glass windows, which offer great privacy while keeping the inside cool. You have dual entry doors on this model. As we walk around the exterior, you can see the high-gloss aluminum siding and the sheer size of this unit. It features 3 slide-outs, which really maximize the interior space. Around the side here, you have your hookups, including the black tank flush and your on-demand tankless water heater, ensuring you never run out of hot water. Let's head inside through this entrance. We are starting right here in the front of the camper, which is dedicated to the master bedroom. You have a spacious king bed slide-out that opens up the floor space significantly. Up front, there's a massive wardrobe area with washer and dryer prep, plus plenty of dresser space and large windows to let in the natural light. It feels very residential in here. Stepping out of the bedroom into the small hallway, we find the first full bathroom. This is not attached to the bedroom, so guests can use it easily without entering your private space. It features a medicine cabinet and a full walk-in shower with a molded seat and a skylight for extra headroom. Continuing down the hall, we enter the main living and kitchen area. This space is huge thanks to the opposing slide-outs and the high ceilings you get in a destination trailer. You have a freestanding dinette and a comfortable sofa in the slide. The kitchen is equipped with an island, a residential farm-style sink with a spring-assisted sprayer, a full-size residential refrigerator, and a pantry for all your dry goods. Moving towards the rear of the trailer, we enter the second bedroom. This is a private room featuring a queen bed and its own slide-out, giving you plenty of walk-around room. There is great storage back here as well, making it perfect for older kids or guests who are staying for an extended time. Finally, right off this rear bedroom is the second full bathroom. This is a complete ensuite for this room, featuring its own vanity, toilet, and a second shower. Having 2 full baths and 2 private bedrooms really makes this 39HBA feel like a true home away from home.